Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to add the profile picture on Telegram. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to the Telegram app and after that go and click on settings, like settings in the bottom of the screen options, and as you can see there is an option called set profile photo. Click on it and it will give you multiple options. So for example I will choose this picture and after that click on like OK button in the bottom right of the screen, and it put it like that picture as a profile picture. Of course you can choose any picture that you want. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.